Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, අපිට නිමාඩු නැහැ.
Hey පුතේ.
Sir, මේ සුපේදට නිමාඩු නැහැ කිව්වා.
එහෙම එකක් කිව්වද? Right.
But sir, in Sumatra college we have the holiday.
Okay. Homework number 13. Have you done it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Homework 13. Find the value of x each of the following figures. Right. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. Construct an equation x plus 2x equals 108. 4x equals 180. Then divide both sides by 4. X equals 45 degrees. X is 45 degrees. Second one, we can apply, tell me what type of angles?
Vertically opposite angles.
Yes.
Vertically opposite angles.
Yes, vertically opposite angles. Then conduct an equation x plus 65 equals 110. Subtract 65 from both sides to find the answer. 110 minus 65. X is again 45 degrees. Third one, we can construct an equation. This is we can apply sum of angles around a point is 360 degrees. And 3x plus 2x plus 90 equals 360. 5x. Then subtract 90 from both sides. 360 minus 90. 5x equals 270. Divide by 5. X equals 54 degrees. I got the answer 54?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
54.
Don't erase the second one. So don't.
Second question. Question number 2. Right, simplify. Remove the brackets. 3 into 2x, 6x. 3 into 1, 3. 5 into x, 5x. 5 into 4, 20. And you can add the like terms. 6x, 5x, 11x
11x
plus
11x
plus
plus
23.
23.
11x plus 23. Yes. Next one, 4a plus 2b
2b
plus 2. Minus 1 into a minus 1a
minus 1
minus b minus 1.
minus b minus 1.
Yes, 4a minus a, 3a,
3a
and 2b minus b plus
B
b, 2 minus
B
1 plus
plus 1.
1.
plus 1.
Yes. Next one, 10x plus 5y
y
minus 2x minus 2y.
2y
10x minus 2x, 8x.
8x
5y
8x
minus 2x plus,
plus 3y.
plus 3y.
yes, plus 3y. Plus 3y. Ito corrections karagan.
All are correct, sir.
Sir, yes, sir, all are correct.
Third question. Ito lagi tunggu ni prashna.
Please don't answer the first question and the third one.
Yes, Puta?
Can you please explain the third one?
Third one. Yes. Then we can, how can you complete with the brackets? 5 into 2x, 10x. 5 into y, 5y. Then minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus 2 into y, minus 2y. Like term should be added, right? 10x, 2x. This is a positive value. This is a negative value. How to add two values with the different signs? We subtract the small one from the large one, then put the larger number sign as the answer sign. When subtracting 2x from 10x, 8x, the larger number sign is plus. When subtracting 2x from 5x, 3x, the larger number sign is plus. 8x plus 3y. Utara තේරුණාද?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Right. Third one.
So don't erase the third one.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir, done.
Sir, shall we move to the next question?
Abata, මොකක්ද ප්‍රශ්නේ?
No, sir, I asked. Shall we move to the next question?
Right, the third one, plus 4 into plus 3 minus 1. The second one, minus 10 into minus 2 over minus 5. Third one, plus 4 plus minus 3 minus 1. Fourth one, plus 7 minus 1 minus plus 1. Right. There are 4 questions. First one is the multiplication. When multiplying, you have to think 2 things. The first one, the value. Then the second thing, the sign. Plus into plus, plus. Then plus 12 into minus 1.
1.
Then
Yes,
plus
sir.
into minus.
Minus
12.
Yes, minus 12. The second question, when dividing, that here, find the value of the numerator. Minus 10 into minus 2 plus 20. Then divide it by
Minus 5.
minus 5
Answer is minus 4.
minus
Yes.
4
The answer is minus 4. Yes, the third one, plus 4. First of all, you can find the value of the first 2 digits. Then there are 2 values with the different signs. They subtract the large number sign plus 1.
Plus
This
1.
has to be arranged as an addition.
Addition.
Plus 1.
Plus 1.
The answer is
Plus 2.
plus 2. These two. The subtractions arrange as an addition plus 1. The additive inverse of minus 1 is plus 1. Plus minus 1.
Minus.
The
minus
answer for the first two is plus 8
plus 8
plus minus 1. The final answer,
plus 7.
yes, plus 7. This is the answer.
It's
Right.
Okay, sir.
Right. Question number 4. Fourth question. Find the value of each of the algebraic expressions when a equals 3, b equals -2. The first one, a plus 3b, a plus b -2. 2 times a minus b plus 1. Fourth question, 4a minus 2b plus 1. 4a minus 2b plus 1. Substitute, right? A is 3. 3 times -2. 3 plus -6. Two values with the different signs. The answer is -3. Have you got the answer -3?
Yes, sir.
Yes. The second one, A is 3. B is -2.
Minus
-2.
Minus
Yes. Then what is the value for the first two values? මුන්දකට උත්තරේ කීයද පුතේ?
-1.
minus
Yes.
1.
-1. Two values with the different signs. The answer for the first two is no. +1.
Plus 1.
No, sir, plus 1.
1 -2. The final answer is -1.
Minus 1.
-1. Next one. 2 times a is 3 minus -2 plus 1. Simplify the values in the brackets. 3, this has to be written as an addition. The addition inverse is +2 plus 1. All are the positive values. Then you can add them. 6. 2 times 6, the answer is 12. I got it? 12? 12 got
Yes.
it?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
12. 4a. 4 times 3. 2 times -2 plus 1. 12 -2 into -2 plus 4 plus 1. All are the positive values. The answer is
70.
yes. පුතාලා හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න. දැන් මේ පුතාලට homework එකේ එවන්නේ හැමදේම අපි ඉගෙනගත්ත දේවල් step by step කියන්නේ අපි මේ හැම දෙයක්ම apply දෙමු. පුතාලා හොඳට තේරුම් ගන්න ඕන කාරණේ grade 6 7 වගේ නෙමෙයි. grade 8 වල තමයි අතන mathematics වල basic concepts ටික අපි හරියටම ඔලුවට දාගන්න ඕන. මොකද 6 7 වගේ නෙමෙයි පුතා. මේ 8 ඉගෙන ගන්න මේ හැමදේම අපිට ඉදිරියට grade 9 10 11 තාම වැදගත්. ඒ නිසා කාටවත් මේවා බැරි වෙන්න බෑ. සියලු දේවල් අපි ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙන දේවල්. corrections කරගන්න.
Okay, sir.
right. ඔක්කොම ලැබෙනද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
question number 5.
Sir, wait a bit.
right.
Done, sir.
Fifth question. Find the factors of each of the following algebraic expressions. Right. 4x 12y minus 4. What is the HCF? Yes.
4,
4. Very good. 4. Then when dividing 4x by 4x, 12y by 4, 3y
3y
minus
plus
4 by
1.
4
5.
minus 1. The second one. What is HCF?
4a
Yes,
4a.
4a. 4a. Then when dividing 4a squared by 4a, when dividing 12ab by 4a plus 3b. Next one. HCF
4x
4x. Yes. Divide 16xy by 4x 4y
4y
4y.
minus
1
1
1
plus
plus
2x.
yes, very good. 2x.
Sir, shall we move to the next question?
Yes, what's the next one? Question number 6, right? Sixth question. Find the square root of by using the prime numbers. Last day we discussed then how to find the square root using prime factors, right? අපි ගිය සතිය ඉගෙන ගත්ත කොටස. Six square root of 144, right? The second one, the square root of 324.
324.
Yes. We can write this. We can divide 144 by prime numbers. Plus by 2, 72.
2,
Then by 2, 36.
36,
18,
18,
9,
5, 9,
3.
3.
Yes. Then separate into same product of same values. You can separate like this. Then 2
Two.
2s and 1 3. Yes.
2 into 3
2 times 2
Two.
times 3.
times 3
Then
3.
2 times 2
times 2
times 3.
3.
Then you can write it as 2 times
Yeah.
2 times 3 to the power 2.
2.
Yes. Then 12 to the
Equal
power 2.
2.
Then 144 is square of 12. Inversely, square root of 144 is equals, yes, 12.
12.
Yes. The second one, divide 324 by 2, 162, again by 2, 81, and by 3, 27, 9, 3, 1, right? 324 is equals, separate like this, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3. 2 times 3 times 3. Directly you can write as a power. 2 times 3 times 3 to the power 2. 18 to the power 2. If it is square root is, what is the square root?
18.
8. Yes, it's 18. 18. Next one. ඊළඟ එක කරන්න ඕනේ නෑ පුතේ. ඒක අපි ඊළඟ පාඩමක තියෙන්නේ. The relationship between metric tons and kilograms. Right? But 8 and 9 can be done.
600 be 5 plus
8 and 9. 8යි 9යි කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතාලට. ඒක අපි කතා කරමු. Corrections කරගන්න.
done, sir. I have done it.
Yes, sir.
Done. All
Question number 8. 8වෙනි එක. minus 2.
We have to do the question 7.
ඔපුතේ 7 එක කරන්න නැහැ. මොකද ඒක අපි ඉස්සරහට කතා කරන්න තියෙන එකක් ඉඳලා.
Okay, sir.
Right. Minus 2 to the power 3. 5 to the power 0. 3 to the power 2. Can expand this minus 2 times. Minus 2
2
times.
times
Minus 2.
minus 2
Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus minus. The answer is minus 8.
minus 8.
Yes. 1 to the power 10. Don't multiply it. The answer is 1.
1.
Yes, 1 into 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into any power of 1 is 1. This one, 4 to the power 2. 4 into 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. This one is 16. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 minus 8.
Minus 8.
The answer is minus 128.
Minus 128.
Yes. Next one. Make a putala ඉගෙනගෙන නැහැ this one. 5 to the power 0 is 1.
1.
Right? ඕනම base එක 0 power එක 1යි. හරි? ඒක ඉස්සරහට ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන එක. 3 into 3. The answer is 9. The answer is 9. 9.
All are correct.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Question number
9.
9. The last one. Oh, පුතේ කියන්න.
So the board is
නෑ බෝඩ් එක නම් හොඳට
Yes,
පේනවා.
sir. It is clear.
බෝඩ් එක හොඳට පේනවා. Right. Then question number 9. Find the general term of the number pattern 1, 3, 5, 7. We need the general term. This is odd number pattern. 2n
Tn
minus.
equals 2n minus 1.
Yes, you can write it as Tn equals 2n
2n
minus
minus 1.
1. Yes. Then the second one, find 25th term. We need T25. Let's substitute 25 for n. 2 times 25 minus 1. Then 50 minus
50
1,
minus 1, 49.
49.
49 is the 25th term.
Yes, then the third one, which term is 37? Then construct an equation. 2n minus 1
Two.
equals 37.
37.
7.
Then add 1 for both sides. 37 plus
38.
1. 2n equals 38.
38.
Then divide both sides by
Divide 2.
n equals,
Equals 90.
yes, 37 is
19th term.
19th term. Yes, 19th term. Hari. Last day we discussed, finally we discussed how to find the square root of a number using prime factors. අපි අන්තිමට ඉගෙන ගත්තේ prime factors use කරලා කොහොමද square roots හොයන්නේ කියන එක. මම පුතාලට තව ගණන් කීපයක් දෙනවා. Right? Write the question. කවුතේ?
සර් මේ සතියේ එන්න බැරි වුණා කොච්චර පිටින් තියාගන්නවද?
පුතේ පිට කීයද? මේ සතියේ පිට දෙකක්. පිට දෙකක් කියවන්න පුතේ.
හරි සර් thank you.
Write down this question. Find the square root using prime factors.
So as a fraction, right?
Yeah, using a prime factor, using prime factors. Using prime factors. ඉතින් මේ අංක ගානක් දැන් අපි හැදුවා ගිය සතියේ දැන් බලන්න මේක 400. Then how to find this? We have to divide this one by prime numbers. තල බෙදන්න දාන්නවා. Divide 400 by 2. 200.
200
Again
by
you can
2,
divide by 200.
100,
Then by 2,
150.
50.
50,
Then by 2,
25,
25. Then by 5, 5.
5,
Finally by 5, 1.
1.
Now 400 has to be written. It's a product of equal values. දැන් මෙතන මේ equal දෙකක් තෝරගන්න ඕනේ. ඒතකොට මොකද එන්නේ? දෙකේව හතරක් තියෙනවා. Yes, 2 into 2 into 5. බලන්නකෝ. ඔය විදිහට අපිට separate කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Then you can write it 2 times 5 into 2 times 2 times 5.
5.
What is it? 2 times 2 times 5
2 times
to the
5,
power 2.
2.
Yes. Then what is it? 400 equals 2 into 2, 4 into 5, 20 to the power 2. Right? According to the definition. According to the definition, right now we know the square of 20 is 400. If it is the square root of 400 is 20. May definition එකෙන් අපි ගන්න මේක. Then the square root of 400 is equals 20. That's the way.
20.
හරි. මම හිතන්නේ මේක ලොකු දෙයක් නෙමෙයි හිතපු නැති පුතාලටත් ඒකට ලියා ගන්න. මම දෙන ගණන් ටික හදා. Right? After writing this,
Done, sir. Done, sir. Done, sir.
ඉවරද පුතේ ඔක්කොමලා?
Not yet, sir.
හරි වෙලාව දෙනවා.
Okay, sir.
Done.
I've done the second question. What is the answer? Square root of 900.
30.
30.
Yes, you can divide 900 by 2, 450 by 2, 225
So the
divided
body
by
is here.
3. දැන් හරිනේ?
Now it's okay.
25 by 3, 25. Divide by 5. Finally by 5, 1. Right? 900. 2 times,
2
3
times
times, 5
3 times 5
to the power 2.
to the
Elif.
power 2.
Yes. Then is 30 to the power
That is the power 2.
2. The square root of 900 is 30.
30.
Yes. $625. What is the answer?
25.
25.
25. Divide by 5. 125.
125. Then again 5.
25. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
5.
Sir,
5 what?
I got the answer for the second one is like by dividing 3 by 900, 300.
3 by how? Tell me again.
3 by 900. Again,
No,
it
no,
divide.
900 by 3.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yes, but the two answers, I think you got this the same answer, but
Yeah.
how to apply this order? The first prime number is 2. If you can't divide by 2, then you have to consider about 3 like that. Order 2, 3, 5. ඒක ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ හැබැයි order එක අමතක කරන්න එපා.
Okay, sir. Thank
Right.
you.
Then you can write this 625. 5 into
5
5
into 5 to the,
to the power 2. 625 equals 25 to the power 2.
2.
Square root of 625,
625 is 25.
25. Yes. Last one.
Square root of 484.
Yes. What is the answer?
22.
22.
Yes. Then divide by 2. 42. Again by 2. 121. 121 is you can divide it only by 11.
11.
Yes.
11.
Then 11.
11.
Again by 11.
Again
1.
by 11. 1.
Yes. Then 484 is equals 2 into 11
2 into 11
to the power 2. 484 equals 22 to the power.
22 to the power 2. The square root of 484 is 22.
Yes. Very good. Yes, it's 22. මෙටික ඉරේස් කරන්නද පුතාලා?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
ඔක්කොම
sir.
Here's the third one without it. Thank you.
ඉක්මන් කරන්න.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
සර් ගිය සතියේ රෙකෝඩින් එක group එකට දානවද?
ගිය සතියක දාලා නැහැ නේද පුතේ?
නෑ sir.
හරි.
Yes,
රෙකෝඩ්
sir.
දෙකම දාන්න පුතේ. හරි. අද එකත් එක්ක දාන්න.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Write down this question. මේක ලියන්න පුතේ.
Done.
Write down. Find the side length of a square. Find the side length of a square. Find the side length of a square of area 256 square centimeters, right? And how to find it? The area is given. The area is 256. We need the side length. You know, to find the area of a square, we have to take the product of length of a side and length of a side. Then area is equals side length into side length. Side length into side length. These two are equal, right? Then we need to obtain 256. We need equal value, right? If it is, if you find the square root of
Sir, board is black.
given area, right? If you find the square root of given area, we can determine the side length. Side length.
Sir, your video is switch off.
හරි. එතකොට දැන් මොකක්ද වෙන්න ඕනේ? දැන් පේනවා. If you take 16 as 4 into 4, that you know, this one is actually side length to the power 2. Then you can write this as side length into side length means side length to the power 2, right? If it is square root of 256 is equal to side length. Then 16 equal 4 into 4. 16 equal 4 to the power 2. Then square root of 16 is 4. Like this. 256 is equal side length to the power 2. Then side length is equal square root of 256. Very important thing when finding length, side length of a square, when given the area of the square, you have to take the square root of the given area. මම කියන උතරට පැහැදිලිද?
Yes, sir.
ඔව් side length එක හොයාගන්න area එක දීලා තියෙදි
Sir,
square
can
එක.
you explain this again?
ඒ දැන් මේ definition එක ගන්නකො පුතේ. දැන් area එක ලැබිලා තියෙන්නේ කොහොමද? සමාන දෙන්නෙක් වැඩි වෙලා. ඒ දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම 16 කියන්නේ 4 into 4. එතකොට දැන් 16 can be written 4 to the power 2 if it is square root of 16 is equal to 4. The same thing, right? 256 is the area. It can be written as side length to the power 2. Then square root of 256 is equal side length. ඒ සමාන දෙන්නෙක් වැඩි වෙලානේ දරුවෝ 256 හැදෙන්නේ. එතකොට එක වැලියු එකක් ඒ 256 මොකද්ද? ස්ක්වෙයාර් රූට් එක. දැන් හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. Keep in your mind when finding the side length of a square you have to find the square root of the given area. Hari? Given area. Then find the side length the square root of 256. දැන් එක හොයන්න පුළුවන්. 256 has to be divided by 2, 128. Again by 2, 64. Again by 2, 32. 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. Right? Now, 256 is, how can you write it? 256 can be written, how many twos? 8. 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 to the power 2. Then 256 equals 16 to the power 2. Square root of 256 is, yes, 16.
16.
Then the side length of the square, therefore side length of the square is equal to 16 cm. Write down it. 16 cm. Side length is 16. මේක ඇදලම කරන්න.
Sir, board is there.
Done, sir.
Still.
Write it the star mark when finding මේ ටික මකන්නද පුතේ?
Okay, sir.
Don't, sir.
Square root, sorry, when finding side length of a square, determine the area when finding the side length of a square, determine the area of the, determine square root of the area. Right? When finding the side length of a square, determine the square root of the area.
Wait, sir.
ඔක්කොමලා ලියන්නේ වරද?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No, sir. Wait a minute.
Right.
Sir?
Sir.
Done, sir. So then what are we going to do?
පුතේ erase කරනවා. Then write down
Okay, sir.
this question.
Okay, sir.
So what won't we do, right?
Then write a question, the third question. Write down, find the value of each of the following. Find the value of each of the following. Right? බලන්න මේ පුතා. 2 times 5 times square in the square root. Right? How can you find this? Think about this one. 5 to the power 2 square root. This is a square root of a square. Tell me what is the value of 5 to the power 2? 5 to the power 2? What is the value of 5 to the power 2?
25.
25. Then 25. That we need 20, square root of 25. What is the value? The square root of 25?
5 to the power 2.
No, square root of 25. What is the value? Square root of 25?
5.
5.
5.
5.
What happened? මොකක්ද සිද්ධ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ? When finding square root of a square, the answer is the base. හරිද? Then the square and square root can be removed. ඒ දෙක අපිට ඉවත් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන්. The answer is 5. Directly you can find it. කෙලින්ම උත්තරේ ගන්න. square එකයි square root එකයි තියෙදි ඒ දෙන්න අයින් කරලා දාන්න පුළුවන් අපිට. The answer is the base 5. 10 to the power 2. What is the answer?
100.
100.
100 or 10?
100.
The answer is 10. දැන් මේකේ උත්තරේ පහනේ තමයි. මේ square එකයි square root එකයි cancel වෙලා යනවා. උත්තරේ 5යි. Right? දැන් මේක වෙන දේ මොකද්ද? 10 to the power 2 100. We need square root of 100. Square root of 100 is
10.
10.
මොකද්ද උනේ?
10.
We can square and square root can be cancelled. The answer is
10.
10.
හරිද? ඕක ඔළුවේ තියාගන්න මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ කියන එක. හරි? Directly you can write it.
Are you going to give this method?
No, not need to write the method. Then directly you can find it. If there is a square and square root, they can cancel them and find the answer directly. The answer is 5. මම ඒක වෙන විදිහ කියන්නම්. හැබැයි මේ උත්තරේදී 25 square root. Then the answer is 5. Right there. Right? 100. The answer is directly 10. Write the star mark when finding. When finding square root of a square, the answer is the base.
Do we want to write these 5 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 2?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
No, sir.
Okay, sir, done.
Right.
Done, sir.
Think about this one. Make diha බලන්න. 2 times 5 squared square root. Directly cancels them. මේ දෙක කෙලින්ම cancel කරලා දාන්න. The answer is 2 into 5.
2 into 5.
The answer is 10. Like that. හරි නේද? මෙඩි කරන්න.
Sir,
ඔව්.
sir, if that means five,
Yes.
Sir, can you explain me
five
that?
means
Yes, sir. Please, can you explain it again?
understand.
දැන් මෙච්චර ළම මොකද්ද කිව්වේ? බේස් එකක් තියෙනවා ස්ක්වයර් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එකක් තියෙන ඉතින් ස්ක්වයර් ඔෆ් ස්ක්වයර් රූට් ඔෆ් ස්ක්වයර් මේ දෙක කැන්සල් කරලා උත්තරේ ගන්නකො. ඉතින් ඒක නෙමෙයිද මෙතන කරලා තියෙන්නේ? දැන් නෝට් එකකුත් ලිව්වා නේද? There's a square. Then square root. Cancel them. The answer is 2 into 5. The base is 2 into 5. 2 into 5, 10. දැන් නෝට් එකකුත් ලිව්වා නේද? ස්ක්වයර් එකේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ස්ක්වයර් එකයි ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එකයි කැන්සල් කරන්න කියලා. Huh? The answer is the base. Then directly you can remove them. Square and square root. The answer is 5. If it is, when finding the square root of the square, you can cancel this square and square root. The base is 2 into 5. පැහැදිලිද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ඒ කියන්නේ මහා ලොකු දෙයක් නැහැ. ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ස්ක්වයර් එක ස්ක්වයර් එකට ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක පුතාලා රිමූව් කරලා දාන්න, අයින් කරලා දාන්න. හරි?
Sir, I'm done.
I also done.
හරිද පුතේ? ඉවරයිද?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, wait a bit. Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Remove this square root. 3 times 2 times 5. What is the answer?
30.
30. Third one, first of all, write as a square. Make a square එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. 3 into 5 to the power 2. Then cancel 3 into 5. The answer is 15. 15. Yes. Arrange this as a square. How? 3 into 7, the square root. The answer is 21.
21.
Yes. This one, 2 times 3 times 3 square the square root. Right? What is the answer?
80.
Yes. The answer is 80. ඔක්කොම හරි නේද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Right.
It's all are correct.
Very good. Now write down subtopic. Last day we discussed the unit place digit of a complete square. මතකයිද?
Don't raised to 5 and 6. Done, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, last day we discussed the unit place digit of a perfect square. The unit place digit of a perfect square. Definitely, the unit place digit of a perfect square, one of the digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, so 9,
9.
right? 2, 3, 7, 8. Can't be seen. මේ හතර කවදාවත් perfect square එක unit place digit එක විදිහට තියෙන්න පුළුවන් කමක් නැහැ. අපි ගේ සතියේ note එක ලිව්වා. ලිව්වා නේද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then write down මාතෘකාවක් ලියන්න. Right. Then a subtopic relationship between unit place digit of a perfect square and the unit place digit of its square root of it square root. Write the topic again.
Done, sir.
For the table, මේ table එක අඳ ගන්න. Digit in the units place of the perpendicular square. Right? Then digit in the unit place of the square root. Of the square root. Right, පුතේ බලන්න. You know the unit place digit of a perpendicular square is one of the digit 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, or 9. Right? Then the digit in the unit place of the square root, if the unit place of the perpendicular square is 0, definitely the square root, the unit place of the square root was also 0. If you consider 100, 100 ගන්න පුතා. What is the unit place digit? It is 0. The answer, what is the square root of 100?
10.
10. The unit place of the square root is 0. Right? Then 400. We found it, the answer is 20. Right? The unit place digit of this perpendicular square is 0. The unit place digit of the square root was also 0. So there is a relationship. Then identify if the unit place of the perpendicular square of the square root, perpendicular square is 0. The digit in the unit place of the square root also 0. මේක නිකන් තේරුණාද පුතාලට?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Then if this one is 1, මේක 1 එක බලන්න පුතේ. 1. As example 81. What is the answer?
9.
9. When the unit place of the perpendicular square is 1, the unit place of the square root is 9. මෙතන 9 ආවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. තව එකක් බලමු අපි. Yes. 1 is also a perpendicular square. What is the square root of 1?
1.
1, yes. Then when this one is 1, 121. What is the square root of 121? 11.
11.
Yes. When the unit place is at 1, the unit place of the square root is 1. Then there are two values. When the unit place of the perpendicular square is 1, the unit place of square root is 1 or 9. ඔය දෙකෙන් එකක් විය යුතුමයි. 1 or 9. Right. When the perpendicular square, right? When the unit place of the perpendicular square is 4. 4. 64. This one is 4. What is the answer?
8.
8.
8.
When unit place is 4, the unit place of the square root is 8. තව එකක් අරගමු බලන්න. 144. What is the answer?
12.
Yes, 12. When this one is 4, the unit place of the square root is 2. There are two such values. when the unit place of the perpetual square is 4, the digit in the square root of is, yes, 2,
Sir, can you explain?
8.
I couldn't hear you.
2, 8, 2, 8. දැන් මේක කියන එක තේරුම් ගන්න පුතා. දැන් මේ 64 කියන එකේ ස්ක්වයර් රූට් එක කීයද? what is the square root of 64? 8.
8.
එතකොට දැන් මෙතන unit place digit එක කීයද? 4. 4 වෙද්දී square root එකේ unit place එක ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන්නේ 8. 144. The square root is 12. The unit place of the square root is 2. එතකොට දෙක වෙන්නත් පුළුවන් unit place එක square root එක 8 වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. When the unit place of the perpetual square is 4, the unit place of the square root is 208. තේරුණාද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
208. 208. And 5. 5 බලන්න. 5 වෙද්දී මොකද වෙන්නේ කියලා? When this one is 5. 25. What is the answer?
5.
5. 5. 625. We found it. 25. When the unit place of the perpetual square is 5, definitely the unit place of the square root is also 5. Directly you can write it. 5. මේවා මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ නෑ පුතේ. හරිද? දැන් සාමාන්‍ය අපිට අවබෝධයක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ එච්චරයි. When this one is 5, the square root is 5. Right? Now 6. 6 බලන්න. 6 වෙද්දී කීයද? As example, when the sun is 36, the unit place is 6. 6. Right? Unit place is 6. 196. The answer is 40. When the unit place of the perpetual square is 6, the square unit place of the square root is 406. 4 hari, 6 hari වෙන්න ඕනේ. 406. And when this one is 9, 49, right? What is it? 7.
7.
7. මම තව එකක් ගත්තොත් මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? 189. Sorry, 289. 17. Yes, if you consider 9, what is the value?
907.
Yes, 3. When the unit place digit of the perpetual square is 9, definitely there are two such values. The unit place of the square root is 3 or 7. 3 or 7. හරිද? මේ ටික පුතලා යම් කිසි විදිහකට මතක තියාගන්න. මොකද අපිට ගණන් හදද්දී අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. හරි. ওই ටික තමයි note එක ලියා ගන්න. Write down it. Write down it.
John, sir.
ඔව් හැමෝටම මේක තේරුණාද පුතා? ප්‍රශ්න කාට හරි තියෙනවද?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
කාට හරි
Excuse me,
තේරුණාද?
sir.
ඔව් පුතේ කියන්න.
Sir, I want the explanation of 1. 1.
1 minute in the second row.
Yes, sir.
Yes, then what is this? Digit in the unit place of the perpetual square is 1. Then as example, if you consider 1, අපි ගමු මෙහෙම 121. What is the unit place of this perpetual square? 1. The square root is 11. That means perpetual square of the square root is 1. හරි? තව අපි ගත්තොත් එහෙම 81. What is the square root of 81?
9.
9.
9.
The unit place of the square root of this 81 is 9. When the unit place of the perpetual square is 1, the unit place of the square root is 109.
109.
තේරුණාද පුතේ?
Yes, sir. Very good.
හරි. දැන් මේක
Yes.
ලියාගන්න අපි මෙතනින් එහාට කොටස ලබන සතියේ කරනවා. උතලට මම homework sheet එකේ වන්නම්. හරි?
Okay, sir.
අපි theory class එක උතනින් තමයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ. එහෙමනම් උතල හැමෝටම බුදු සරණයි. පරිස්සමෙන් ඉන්න මේ table එක.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Good Sarana.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Wonderful lesson, please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Goodbye, sir. Thank you, sir. Goodbye.